Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new product for review. And the product that we are going to review today is a instant coffee from Nescafe, that is a Nescafe Classic. So guys, this is a Nescafe Classic, perfect coffee to give you a perfect start to your day. So guys, this is a 50-gram pouch of Nescafe Classic that I have here, and today we are going to review this product. So guys, first of all, let's look at the packaging. The Nescafe Classic coffee comes in a plastic pouch here, and right here you can see the Nescafe branding. There's a Nescafe branding here, and here is the product Classic. And then they are shown a nice cup of hot black coffee here, and then they are shown some illustration of coffee beans, and then it says 100% pure coffee. So this is a Nescafe Classic, which is 100% pure coffee granules. Coming on the back side of the pouch, again we have the Nestle branding right here. It says good food, good life. And then what we have here is how to make a perfect cup of coffee. Right, so here are the instructions here. You take 1 teaspoon of Nescafe coffee. You add it to 120 ml of hot water, not boiling water, hot water, not boiling, to hot water. And then you add 1 teaspoon of sugar to it and mix it all well. And then you have a nice cup of hot black coffee. To that you can choose to add milk as well. Like you can use milk or water. Like if you want black coffee, you'll use water. If you want a nice milky coffee, then you will add milk. So that's how to make your coffee. The shelf life of this Nescafe Classic is 18 months from packaging, which is a very good shelf life here. And this is, like I told you, the net weight of this package is 50 grams. The Nescafe Classic pack is of 50 grams here. And the MRP of the product is rupees 140 for 50 grams, which is very decently packed price, because this one packet of 50 grams makes you 33 cups of coffee. So which is very good, like 33 120 ml cups of coffee will be made from this one pack of 50 ml. So that's a very good serving for the price. Yeah, so that's about the packaging of the product. Let's go ahead and open the product and see how does the coffee look. You just tear it open from here. Now one important thing, after tearing it open, make sure you transfer the coffee to a airtight container, so you have a very strong coffee aroma here. And guys, this is the coffee, this is the Nescafe coffee. You can see how nice and smooth it is. It's not completely powdery, but it has nice granules. You can break it down into more powdery, but it will easily mix with the milk or water to make a nice cup of coffee. So guys, this is the coffee powder from Nescafe, and it has a very strong aroma. It makes a nice strong cup of coffee, and which will definitely give you a nice caffeine boost that you require for a start of the day. So guys, this was my review about the Nescafe Classic coffee. And if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.